Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Elon of AfD token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Elon of AfD is a community driven meme coin that merges internet meme culture with political activism, specifically aligning with the vision of Elon Musk and German political themes. Community driven political meme. It is token that uses humor and viral memes to build a movement around specific political values and technological inspiration. Pure community ownership. Its tokenomics are designed for full decentralization with 100% of the supply allocated to the community and no allocated team tokens. Roadmap for ecosystem growth. The project outlines a phased plan to evolve from a meme token into a modest ecosystem featuring DeFi staking and cross-chain integration. Elon of AFD token total supply is 999.97 million and circulating supply is also 999.97 million. AFD token. Elon AFD token is listed on Wix, Redium and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.